In this tutorial video, I'm going to show how to export the spline values. So if we pick a recording, for instance this recording, go, and go up to File and Export and Data. Now you need to specify an export file. This should normally be in your own document area. Here we've got one in a junk folder called temp.txt. The next option is to select which recordings or annotations you want to export. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will just export the current recording. In terms of rows, we're going to export the XY positions of the spline for every video frame. And then in terms of the data we're exporting, we want to export the XY values of the tongue spline. So you check this button here. On the Value tab, so in the Spline Name tab, we've selected tongue. On the Value tab, we've selected XY. Now, importantly, because we want to exclude the points with zero confidence, that is, these points in the mandible shadow, we're going to exclude any points which have got confidence less than 1. So we'll set this to 1. Instead, you'll get asterisks for those points with confidence of 0. And we don't need to do any rotation based on the origin. So if we just click Execute now, and I can preview this file. Now you can see there's a whole bunch of asterisks, but if we scroll through, we start to see the XY values appear for each one of the spline knots. And there should be 42 pairs of XY coordinates. And this is in a tab delimited file format.